Alengis introduces Altima F100 system, a state-of-the-art, most versatile fixed, complete cardiac X-ray lab used in full range of diagnostic and therapeutic procedures. The system includes a DAP meter, L-arm gantry, a big C-arm for full range of viewing angles, patient table and ceiling suspended monitors. This floor-mounted machine uniquely combines economy and flexibility in a system designed to meet all specialized cardiac imaging needs. The HMI enables to start the machine within 30 seconds. All desired angles can be comfortably and quickly controlled by the joystick mounted on the foot end control panel. The sleek and floor-mounted design of Altima Cath Lab facilitates easy movement all around. Due to the design of Altima Cath Lab, the heart and peripheral vessels can be assessed in a single catheterization procedure. Large scan area of the FPD, its rotation and up-down movements facilitates superb anatomical coverage. Apart from all major movements of this specially designed low-height cath table, the pivot movement of tabletop with electromagnetic locks enables to stop at any desired position. Such movements provide quick access to the patient in emergency situations like CPR. Pre-programmable positions enables easy operations. The monitors mounted on a ceiling suspended system with height adjustment adds to the convenience for the entire staff in the OT and greatly facilitates overall performance. Sensors play a vital role in patient safety during high-speed movements. Fluoro and cine shots, which are useful for both diagnosis and therapy, helps doctors to detect and treat the blockage. The indigenously developed Synergy software comes with innovative data processing methods and an improved hardware for multimodality information. A well-planned console room enables convenient post-operative analysis and diagnosis with the help of the advanced imaging softwares, which allows the interventionalist to view matters of the heart more closely. The post-processing features adds to the convenience. There are some design features that are critical to the efficient use of space. Thus, Altima F100 system is specifically designed to meet not only the escalating demands of interventional cardiology but also interventional radiology today and in the future.